Hello, kindergarten. Today we're going to read If You Were a Plus Sign. This was written by an author named Trisha Speed Shackskin and illustrated by Francesca Carabelli. Plus sign. What do you know about plus signs? It means to add something, right? To add two groups together to make a number that's bigger or a group that's bigger. If you were a plus sign. If you were a plus sign, you would help add things together. Ida plus Ike equals true love. They make a family of two. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ida and Ike have a cub named Ina. They make a family of 3. 2 parents plus 1 cub equals 3. Ida, Ike, and Ina love pets. They have 2 seals. They make a family of 5. 3 plus 2 pets equals 5. If you were a plus sign, you would be a symbol used to show addition. You would be part of an addition problem. Selma juggles 5 red balls plus 2 green balls. That's a total of 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Trig jumps through 4 blue hoops plus 4 purple hoops. That's a total of 8 hoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. If you were a plus sign, you would be used like the word and. Doodle gives Pluck 3 daisies and 6 roses. 3 and 6 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pluck gives Doodle 1 valentine and 8 chocolates. 1 and 8 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. If you were a plus sign, you would help make a sum. The sum is the total of 2 or more numbers. 5 bulldogs met 5 tigers to play basketball at the park. They made a sum of 10. 5 plus 5 equals the sum of 10. 6 bulldogs plus 6 tigers showed up to cheer them on. They made a sum of 12 cheerleaders. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And if you notice, there's 2 ways to write these equations or addition sentences. This is going across horizontally, and this one is vertically going up and down. If you were a plus sign, you could work left to right or top to bottom. Spotty cooks 4 blueberry pancakes for herself and 3 plain pancakes for Dottie. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Spotty stacks the 3 plain pancakes and the 4 blueberry pancakes on a plate. 4 plus 3 equals 7. If you were a plus sign, you could add in any order and still get the same sum. A frightened frog leaps across 4 lily pads and then bounces onto 2 more lily pads. He jumps on 6 lily pads all together. A frightened frog leaps across 2 lily pads and then bounces onto 4 more lily pads. He jumps on 6 lily pads all together. So here it was 4 plus 2 equals 6. And here the 2 comes first. 2 plus 4 still equals 6. If you were a plus sign, you could add any amount of numbers. You could add 2, 3, 4, or more. You would get the same sum no matter how the numbers were arranged. 5 elephants plus 4 hippos plus 3 rhinos equals 12 show animals. So in this one, there are 5 numbers that we're adding to, or 3 numbers that we're adding together that equal 12. 5 elephants plus 3 rhinos plus 4 hippos equals 12 show animals. If you were a plus sign, you could add small numbers or big numbers. Gert wears 8 red bracelets on her right arm and 8 pink bracelets on her left arm. Gert is wearing 16 bracelets altogether. Gert has 13 bows on her tail and 14 bows in her mane. She wears 27 bows. 13 plus 14 equals 27. That's a lot of bows. Gert has 100 polka dots on her skirt, and Stretch has 100 triangles on his vest and tie. Together, they have 200 shapes on their clothes. Ooh. If you were a plus sign, you could help solve story problems. Cherry juggles 5 red balls. She adds 3 green balls and 2 orange balls. How many balls does Cherry juggle in all? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balls in all. Cherry juggles 10 balls in all. We got it right. You would always help add things together if you were a plus sign. Okay. This page maybe I'll show you a little bit later. My challenge for you right now, kindergarten, is to come up with your own story problem. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. You can take a video of yourself telling us a story problem, and then you can solve it for us. You can draw a picture so it looks like one of the illustrations in this book, and then you should solve it for us. Or you could, you could draw it on the iPad. I know that's an option. You could draw it on a piece of paper and then take a picture. You could act it out if you want to use toys. It's very open-ended. I want to see what kind of story problem you can come up with using a plus sign just like this story. All right, I can't wait to see what you come up with. Bye.